In this video, I will show you how to estimate shipping on Pandabuy. So without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, head over to the Pandabuy website and make sure you're logged in. So once you're on the homepage, keep an eye out for the estimation option. It usually comes with a nifty calculator icon. So once you see that option, click on that as this is where the estimation happens. Now here's the crucial part. You need to know the details of your item like the destination, item category, weight, length, width, and height. Let's say you're shipping to Spain. Now choose Spain as your destination, and for the item category, if for example, you're shipping a pair of shoes, you need to pick the relevant category like are they a common brand, international brand, or perhaps a luxury pair. So for this example, let's go with a common brand. Now, enter the digits like a pro. Let's say the shoe's weight is 450 and the dimensions are 13 in length, 7.5 in width, and 4 in height. Go punch in those numbers, and once all the details are in place, gently tap the inquire button. And now here's the exciting part. Your shipping fee will pop up the bottom, so go ahead and scroll down to compare the shipping prices from different logistics options. You can also check out the transit time to see how long your precious package will be on the move. And that's it, a straightforward way to estimate the shipping fee on Pandabuy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.